How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Lowe's login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.lowes.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of Lowe's. Now you have to log into your account. Click on this option given over here. Sign in. Click on Sign in option. With that, you will land to the login page. Now provide your Lowe's account's credentials, type in the user ID and password, and then click on Secure Login. Once logged in, navigate to the activation section and enter your credit card number and other required details. You may be asked to answer security questions or confirm your identity through other means to ensure the security of your card. After entering all necessary information and completing any required verification, you can activate your card. You should receive a confirmation that your card is activated and ready to use. After activation, you can now set up additional online services such as paperless billing, alerts, and autopay to manage your account efficiently. Make sure you receive a confirmation either on the website or via email that your card is activated. This way you can easily activate Lowe's credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.